Hey guys, welcome back to Ouch Mountain. This week we got a delivery in that I'm pretty excited about, so y'all stay with us. So if you've been with us for a while, you remember a video that we had a few months ago called Logging for Firewood, and we had our tractor and had forks on the front of the bucket pulling up a big long log up out of the woods. And we had chains and straps hooked to the very end of our fork on the bucket, and which is not a good idea. But we had it down there, we were pulling up and lifting up this log. And if you remember, the forks bent and broke, the one that was strapped to the chain, and parts went flying everywhere. We're probably lucky we didn't get hurt. It was probably a pretty bad idea to do that, but you get in a hurry and you kind of do those things. And so we've been without any forks for some time now, but we ordered some new ones. They came in this week. And so let's get in here and see what we got. We ordered these from Titan Attachments. Don't know anything about Titan. Never bought their products before, but found them online. There's one. So here are the two forks from Titan Attachments. They're medium duty, ready for about 2,000 pounds a piece, which is more than what the tractor bucket and loader can handle. So we should be good as far as that goes. We also bought a stabilizer bar, which just keeps the forks spaced evenly and they don't splay out, which you've seen us do that too. So that should be a big improvement over what we had before. So let's put these on the tractor and try them out. All right, let's see if we can stabilize the bar. So here's that last log that we left when the forks broke. So we haven't moved it yet, but we're coming down here to get it tonight before it gets dark on us. It's a 13-foot oak log that we pulled up out of the woods. So we'll get this loaded up, taken to the splitter, and split some wood.
On it.
This is not the best looking log we've ever had. It's a little bit punky. It laid there beside the road for a few months and we're just now getting to it, but I think it still has some good wood in it. And I guess we'll find out here as we start splitting it. So we're going to fire up the splitter for the first time this season. Yeah, we're a little bit behind because of the wildfires, but better late than never.
pretty good pile.
So that log was a little bit punky, kind of wet on the inside, but I think it'll dry out just fine and we can use it in the stove. And we had a few more chunks here that we'd already cut and we went ahead and split those too. The new stove has been ordered, haven't got here yet. Like everything else, it's on back order, so it's gonna be a couple months before it gets here. So we got some time to get some firewood split and stacked. So if you like watching our videos, hit the like button, click the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when we post a new video. Send us some comments. We love getting those comments, and share it with a friend. And we'll see you next time on Ouch Mountain.